Hello, this is Greg Berg with the Stearns Conservation District, giving you the weekly conservation update. As many of you probably have heard, Dennis Fuchs, our Conservation District Administrator, is retiring after 29 years with the office. Please join us to celebrate his retirement on Thursday, May 29th, 2025, from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Milk and Honey Ciders. The address is 11738 County Road 51 in St. Joseph. There will be cider, beer, refreshments, food truck, and snacks. So again, Dennis is retiring. Dennis Fuchs, that is. I'm sure you've heard him on this radio station many times after 29 years with the Stearns Conservation District, and his celebration will be Thursday, May 29th, 2025, from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Milk and Honey Ciders in St. Joseph. There will be cider, beer, as you can imagine with Dennis involved, refreshments, a food truck, snacks, and a lot of good conversation, and maybe a little drumming of Dennis himself. Next, I want to talk to you about some workshops coming up. One of them is integrating soil health principles into grazing practices. There's going to be an interactive workshop focused on soil health practices and regenerative grazing management strategies. Learn how to improve your practice with insights from the EQIP program and see the impact firsthand through a live rainfall simulator and other soil health demonstrations. Discover how to implement effective grazing infrastructure, and this could include fencing, watering systems to improve the land productivity and increase profitability. So the Northern Tour is June 9th and 10th, and the Southern Tour is June 16th through the 18th. And for more information or to register, you can go to www.mnglca/events, or the contact number is 507-838-0569. In addition to this one, there's going to be a local workshop, and it's called Roots and Rotation, Integrating Livestock onto Cropland. This is a field day to learn about the benefits of crop and livestock integration and how it fits with farming operations. Hear about these practices from experienced farmers and educators, and network with other attendees, over a shared meal. Come see for yourself how these practices could work for you. And we do have a local one. It is at the Punsack Farm. That is in Richmond, Minnesota. And that is on August 1st, 2025. It will be from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And supper is provided. So you can't beat this. You get supper and you get to learn about the integrating livestock into cropland. There'll be discussions again about grazing, cover crops, and soil health, a shared meal, that supper from 4 to 8 time frame, and the educational resources. Again, if you want to register for that event, you can go to the website, which is www.mnglca/events, or you can call the phone number at 507-838-0569. So a couple of good options as far as educational events coming up, and one of them a local field day to learn about the benefits of crop and livestock integration and how it fits with your farming operation. The last thing I wanted to bring up is it is Memorial Day weekend, and we need to make sure that we appreciate and honor the veterans out there and those that serve our country, and also to be safe on a holiday weekend as we head into our summertime activities. So wishing you all the best Memorial Day holiday weekend. And this is Greg Berg with the Stearns Conservation District. Have a great day.